So we had a crazy idea in 2007, a long time ago, to restore old wooden houses. And the people nobody had done this in this area. And people said to us, the crazy English woman, they said nobody will pay money to stay in an old wooden house. And we said, we'll see. We've done this before in other countries. So we take the mud off the walls and we put the mud back up, and we put the wooden shingles, the janitors on the roofs. And actually lots of foreigners wanted to come. I think what we wanted to give people was a holiday where is part culture, part adventure, but part relaxation. And this is what I feel Maramures is all about. So the houses we have here, they're not luxury, they are only part of the experience. The experience is about making hay with the family for the day. It's making jam, it's cookery classes, it's hiking this beautiful mountain behind us, it's taking bicycles and e-bikes. It's about experiencing nature, it's about experiencing a way of life that is self-sustainable, and it's about the people, very much about the people.